Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody is having a wonderful day today. Today's video is going to be a little different. Now, I did a poll over on my Instagram for grocery hauls and I got a lot of good feedback. A lot of people say that they enjoy them. They get inspiration to try new recipes and meals and things like that. So I figured I would go ahead and do one for you guys. And so today's video is going to be a grocery haul. Now, I know a lot of people have trouble with the stores, the shelves being bare at the stores. So do I. So I typically try to get what we're going to use that week and stuff like that. So the rain has finally moved out, so I want to go ahead and go to the store and get what we need. So I didn't want to look like a crazy person walking around in Walmart or Publix or anything like that, so I called around and got some info, and our stores near me do have a strict filming policy. They do not allow filming in their stores, so I want to respect that. However, if I can get some footage on my phone of the shelves and stuff for you guys, I will do that. It just depends on how many people are in the store, because I don't want to film other people. It's not my place. So yeah, it just depends on if I can get some footage of the shelves, and if not too many people is there when we go grocery shopping. So I've gotten ready for the day. I've had my breakfast. I'm good to go. The dogs are fed. They're playing. They're living their best life right now. So I'm going to go ahead and get everything ready, and we're going to go right to the store and get this grocery haul, or this grocery run, done so we can get back and I can get that up for you guys. So yeah, let's go. Okay guys, so I've got everything situated and I've got all of the meat laid out here ready to go. I'm going to go ahead and go through these first, so that way I can get them put in the freezer, and then we will move on to everything else. So I've got a picnic roast here. I wanted to make some pulled pork. One day, either this week or this coming weekend, we're having a cookout this weekend, so I might wait till then to cook this for some pulled pork barbecue style thing. I've got some hamburger meat here that I wanted to make some burgers one day this week. I was thinking maybe some mushroom Swiss burgers would be really good, so I got the stuff to make that. I've got some of these sausages here for the cookout that we're going to be having here soon. So I've got these better cheddars and the New Orleans style. I've heard a lot about this, so I figured I'd try that. But these are really good. I do not like hot dogs, and I don't eat hot dogs, so these are an option for me. So I've got some of those. I've got a pot roast here that I wanted to get like the beef tips that come pre-cut. They didn't have any, and they didn't have any cube steak either, so I'll have to go back and see if they got some of that later on in the week. So I've got that. If I can't find the beef tips, I'll just cut this up and use it instead. My daughter wanted some of these chicken wings, so we've got a massive pack of that. I've also got 2 cartons of eggs for breakfast and recipes. I've got some of these hoagie buns for the cube steak sandwiches. They're really, really good. So I've got some of those. I've got some of these Hawaiian sweet roll hot dog bun type things. My husband requested that, so I got some of that. I got some burger buns for the mushroom Swiss burgers. This is the only kind they had on hand, but these are really good. So we got some of that, and they were completely nearly out of bread, and we just got this. We usually get the other brand. I think it's the Bunny brand or whatever. Anyways, I got some bread. Over here, I've got everything else. I've got some coffee here. They never have the New Orleans style of the community coffee, so I just get whatever they have on hand. It's really good coffee, so I've got some of that. I got some garlic powder, some parsley, onion powder. I got some salt for my salt grinder, some minced garlic. I love having this on hand, especially if I can't find any fresh garlic at the store. I got some bananas. I got some of these no yolk egg noodles for my creamy chicken noodle soup that I'm going to be making here shortly. And then my husband loves cereal. I'm not a cereal person. If I do, I usually get like the rice checks. That's usually what I get. So I got that. Got some frosted mini wheats because he likes that. And I also got some cookie crisps for my daughter. She likes those. I got some grapes back here. Some carrots. I love having fresh fruits and vegetables on hand. Just make everything quick and easy. I got some avocados for breakfast. Some sweet potatoes for my daughter. Some blueberries. I love having blueberries on hand because it's a quick snack. I give them to my pups as treats. I got some bell peppers. I got a box of this barley because I'm going to make a side dish here shortly for you guys. So I got some of that. I got some of these Black Forest like gummy things for just like snacking. If my daughter wants to take some to school, she can take some of those to school. Let's see, I got some Peeps. She wanted some Peeps. She's seen these at the store, so she grabbed those. Some Orata extra crispy fast food fries. They didn't have the big bag, but that's fine. These will work. I got some mushrooms for the mushroom Swiss burgers. I got some parsley and some cilantro just to have on hand for like salads and recipes and stuff like that. Some tomatoes for salads. Some celery. A cabbage. We like cabbage. It's really good for you. I got some onions and some cheese. I got this baby Swiss for the mushroom Swiss burgers. That'll be coming up here shortly. I got some string cheese just to snack on. And I got some of this cheese because my the biggest dog, Kingston, he has to take some medication right now, so I got some cheese for him to take his medication with. I got some more butter. I love this butter. This is the best butter in my opinion. I got some sliced cheese for my husband. He requested that. I got some of these Mios. I love putting these in my water. It helps me drink a lot of water. So I got the acai berry storm and the orange vanilla, which these two are my favorite. I also picked up these Q bars. My daughter seen these and wanted to try these, so she got the almond butter and I got the dark chocolate. I got some ranch dressing. Normally we get the Hidden Valley Ranch, but I wanted to try something different, so we picked this up. I also got some more sugar-free vanilla for my coffee. She wanted some tuna because she likes to make like these little tuna rice ball type things. She loves those. Got some more mayo. This is my favorite. Pick some of that up. I got some crushed tomatoes, some kidney beans for some chili. My daughter needed some more Gatorades for school. She wanted some Sprite, so I picked that up. And they didn't have the ginger ale zero, so I just picked up some Dr. Pepper Zero. And the only thing that we got that was not groceries was my daughter wanted some tank tops, so I got some for her. And then I picked up these little resistance bands because I like using these when I work out. I've got the ones that go around like your thighs or whatever and your knees, like resistant bands. So I picked some of these up just for trying something different than working out. So I picked those up. I also picked up 2 of these Alani Nu drinks from Walmart. We've seen these and we tried these, and they are really, really delicious. I recommend these. So good. So yeah, that is everything that we got from Walmart. I will leave the total amount on the screen so you can see how much I spent. I know people love knowing how much you spend. It was a little bit more pricey than what it normally costs for all of this. That's because of the inflation, but you gotta have what you gotta have. So this is everything that we picked up. Alright guys, we're going to wrap it up here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. It really helps to support my channel, and it lets me know that you enjoy the content. If there's anything that you want me to do on my channel as far as grocery hauls, vlogs, anything like that, let me know in the comment section down below. I really take in your opinions and everything like that, so that way I know which way I should go on my YouTube. So I want to know what you guys want as well as viewers. So yeah, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.